Top 5 Best Car Steam Cleaners 2026. Find out the best products for you. Number 1. Car detailing at home is simple with the McCulloch MC1375. This canister steam cleaner delivers 90 minutes of powerful steam, great for tough stains. It includes 20 versatile accessories like brushes and a squeegee, ideal for floors or your car's interior. You get impressive reach too, thanks to an 18-foot cord and 7-foot hose. Just note it's warranted for use only in the US. If you need extended cleaning sessions for home and personal car detailing, this model is a solid choice. Number 2. It's a professional-grade steam cleaner and steam mop in one. The Vapamore MR100 Primo delivers commercial power with 220F steam for chemical-free cleaning. You get 20 accessories, great for automotive interiors. It runs 60 minutes with its 1.6-liter tank, ideal for pet messes. Its large tank means it's not the most compact, but for powerful, multi-surface sanitizing, backed by a lifetime warranty, this Vapamore is a solid choice. Number 3. This Chemical Guys foaming fabric cleaner lifts deep stains and odors. It's a high-foaming car upholstery cleaner. It penetrates fibers to tackle coffee, food, and pet messes on seats and mats. It neutralizes odors, leaving a fresh citrus scent. Dilute, agitate, then blot or vacuum for professional results without harsh chemicals. It won't replace a steam cleaner's deep extraction. Need machine-level cleaning? Look elsewhere. For effective car interior stain and odor removal, it's a solid choice. Number 4. It permanently removes over 100 common messes. This BISSELL Little Green Portable Carpet Cleaner is a top choice for car interiors. It's America's #1 brand in portable deep cleaning, trusted by millions. Its triple action formula powerfully eliminates odors for like-new results, and the 48-ounce tank means fewer refills. It's fantastic for spray, scrub, and suction stain removal. However, it's not a steam cleaner. If you need intense heat sanitation, this isn't it. But for tough stains and odors, it's a powerful performer. Number 5. This Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner offers a fantastic 50-minute continuous runtime. That's perfect for deep cleaning your car interior without constant refills. Its 275-degree superheated steam cleans, sanitizes, and deodorizes car surfaces chemical-free. With 17 accessories, you can detail everything from carpets to tight console spaces. While its reach is excellent, it's not a simple handheld. Managing the hose around your vehicle takes planning. For serious car steam cleaning, this powerful, versatile choice is worth checking out. Thanks for watching Best Car Steam Cleaners. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.